Malhar and Sumbe, I am going to make a F15 jet. Please review my last two videos. This is my third video, and please like the both videos and this also. Let's get into the video. F15 jet. You need any rectangle paper, any book rectangle paper, and to start with, we have to make this into half like this. Like this, and then we have to fold it from the top. We have to do the fold like this, and then on the other side. Like this, and then we have to open it. It should look like this. Then fold like a normal aeroplane, but till the line that we have fold, and open it. Do it on the other side till the line. Like this, not from the down till here, and then you have to fold this tip to down here. Let's do it. We done that. We have to fold this. Technical issues in the building the plane. Like this. It should be from here to here. And then it should look like this. And then afterwards, the fold we did, we have to do this. But while doing this, we fold this. This is a little bit hard. We have to make a corner fit from here until here. It should be this, a slant. Other side showing here, catch here, put a finger here, then do this. Done. It should look like this, and then we have to take a little bit high. Like this you have to do. You can see that this here. Like this. Do it on the other side. Like this. Till which we have done. Like this, right? And then you have I forgot one step. Do this back again. Open this one and remove the first layer, this, and put it back. It should be like this. Make it down and fold it here like this. Do the other side. Here I go, and then do this. This is the, and do this. So this, like this. The plane must be smooth. And then the steps I told, do that again. So this, and don't leave it now. Not ready yet. If it is done, you have to take it down. Wait a minute. See, this part upside down. Today is very raining, so sorry for that. See, it should be plain like this. For the bigger the jar, that fatty part will be simple, but the other part will be too hard. And you are done now. Not done yet. Means this part. Now there is simple remaining. You need a scissor also. Quickly bring it in 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You bring it. Good. So this one must be inside. Like this. This. Okay, I changed the place for a reason. So we have to continue like this. This, and then you have to fold it. To lock it, you have to take this part into the inside of another part, like this. Okay, done. So here we go. So you need a scissor now, and in this you have to cut it like this, a little bit, and then after it a straight line. And make it swing like this. This must be seen. Then to the other side.
Up, say up.
This side. Here you go. And the cutting part I did must be fold here. And then in the down accessory I every time put this. If you want, you can, to make a flight better. Okay. And again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment. Comment box is locked, sorry. And please share with your family members and friends. And this is for today. Bye.